How to get Spotify Premium for free on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to get Spotify Premium for free on your Android. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Spotify app on your device. So once you open the Spotify app with your logged in account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on this premium option just at the bottom right corner. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from here you can know that you can get options like you can enjoy 1 month free of this Spotify Premium. So for that you'll have to just tap on this get start option. Alright, so from here you can also know that 1 month for $0 and from the another month you'll have to pay some dollar for that premium version. So on the another section you'll have to choose how to pay. So you can go with the option Spotify, and as usual you can go with the option Google Play. So you can choose anyone from here, and after you select one from here you'll have to just tap on this continue option. Alright, so from this section you'll have to make the payment method, like you can go with the option PayPal, or you can add your credit card or debit card. So from here, after you made the payment method, from here you'll be able to enjoy 1 month free subscription of premium on Spotify, and then after 1 month you'll have to pay for that. So this is the simplest and easiest method to get Spotify premium for 1 month, and then after that you'll have to pay for that. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.